how to run the classic Windows troubleshooters. If you've been using Windows for a long time, you've probably used those classic troubleshooters to fix random PC issues. Well, FYI, Microsoft has deprecated them and replaced everything with the Get Help app, which, let's be honest, rarely helps. But here's the good news. There's still a nifty little trick to bring back those old troubleshooters. No need to tweak advanced settings or install any third-party tools. It's all still built right into Windows. First up, you will need this command. It's there in the video description. Next, head over to Microsoft's official website and scroll down to the section called Available Troubleshooting Packs. There, you'll find the troubleshooting pack IDs for most of the classic Windows troubleshooters. Now, here's what you do. Press the Windows plus R keys to open the Run box, paste the msdt command we discussed earlier, add the pack ID for the troubleshooter you want, and hit Enter. That's it. The good old troubleshooter will launch instantly. Right now, I've got the hardware and devices troubleshooter open, but let's say you want to run the printer troubleshooter instead. Just head back to Microsoft's page, find its pack ID, add that to your msdt command, and launch it from Run. Simple as that. One last thing, Microsoft's page doesn't list the pack ID for every troubleshooter. For example, I couldn't find the one for Bluetooth, so I did some digging and added its command in the video description, along with a few others. If you come across any more that aren't listed on the site, drop their commands in the comments so others can use them too. At least while these classic troubleshooters are still around, because let's face it, Microsoft will remove them eventually. That's all for now. If you learned something new, hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to Tech in Moments so you never miss a quick, smart tech tip again.